Alright broski, so last Saturday we went drifting at Adams. I didn't film that day because I wanted to have fun. I really just wanted to enjoy myself driving, so I didn't get to record anything. But you guys remember I got some new wheels for the car, right? These wheels, they had these tires right here in the front. Guys, I went hard like the first lap. For those of you that know Adams, there's a tire wall on the second turn, and I went hard and I just understeered and went straight into the tires, and then I fucked up my bumper. Check it out. Right there, I scratched the whole bumper. Luckily it didn't break, it's just scratched. So I'll just sand it down again and repaint it. But yeah, as I was telling you guys, I was running some shitty tires in the front. So for those of you that are getting into drifting, don't make the same mistake as I did and run shitty tires in the front. But yeah, yesterday I went to go pick up some tires. They are the Nexen Enfera SUR4. A lot of people were telling me these are some badass tires. But shit, guys, I heard a fucking tool move. Somebody's trying to scare me, dog. But yeah, anyways, I got some good reviews on these tires, and I put them on yesterday. They look pretty sick. We got the meats now, so I should be good. They are a little pricey. I think they go for like $220 per tire, brand new. I got a good deal. I got them for $150 a pair. You can still see like the letters and shit, so they're still like semi-new. So I'm excited to try these out, and I'll let you guys know how they work in the front. For those of you that are into drifting or want a grippy tire in the front. I heard they're really grippy, so we'll try them out, and I'll let you guys know what I think. So we're gonna have an event. I believe this is gonna be like our third or fourth private track day, and we're gonna go back to Adams track. Let's see, I think it's the 21st of March. So next Thursday, we're gonna be having our private event. For sure, I'll be going, JP, Angel, his uncle, Rudy, and who else? Oh, and another homie, his name is Victor. He's gonna take his 240. And maybe, I think we have, so I think we still got like 2 more spots. So if anybody's not doing anything next Thursday, let me know. Hit up, bang my line, hit me up on the Instagrams, and I'll get you in. Today, what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be going over the whole car and making sure it's ready for next Thursday at the track. So yesterday I started working on it, right? And when I took off the tires I installed, I lifted up the car obviously, and guys, the tie rods were loose on both sides. So I bought some Loctite. Check it out, it's right here. So I put thread lock on both tie rods, and then when I went on the driver's side, one of the nuts for the lower control arm was missing. So the whole control arm was moving like this. When I installed the tires, I drove the car and I'm like, how come it feels loose in the front? So I raised it back up, and I'm telling you guys, I noticed that nut missing on the lower control arm. So I was like, oh my god, like I was drifting with that shit like that. Since it was kind of late last night, I didn't test drove it. So what we're gonna do right now, since I think it's ready, we're gonna go drive it around and then see what's up, see if the car feels better. And also I'm hearing a noise in the back, so hopefully the GoPro can catch the sound and maybe help me figure out what's wrong. When I'm drifting, the whole car shakes hard, so I think it's the subframe bushings or maybe an axle or I don't know what the hell. So but yesterday, I'm telling you, when I drove it, I heard like a clunky noise, so most likely I think it's gonna be an axle. But either way, I ordered some subframe bushings, so I just gotta wait on those. Alright guys, so I believe the front is fixed. I didn't hear anything weird. I didn't feel anything loose, so I think it's good now. I did hear some clunking noise on this side, so I'm gonna jack it up right now and then do some eye inspection and see what's up. Well, what do you know? I'm pretty sure this is a clunking noise I hear. The fucking axle's busted. Need to get this shit replaced ASAP and clean this mess up right here. But check it out. Subframe bushings as well. This one looks shot. So maybe that's why I'm getting all that fucking jumpy, you know? So I had an extra pair of axles and I gave that one, well, that was Derek's old one, and the good one I gave it to him. And so I'm just gonna get his old one, go get it rebuilt, and then I'll take that one off after I get that one rebuilt, and then I'll just get that one rebuilt for a spare. So, but since it's been raining, the whole fucking tambo was full of water, and I made a little hole. Check it out. So all the water can go. But yeah, I'll just get it tomorrow and I'll take it. It's right there. And then we'll get the 350Z fixed. But yeah, let me check the other side. Alright broski, so the homie Derek, he left his MB battles right here. He said he wants to sell them. So I told him, just leave them here, let me try them on, and I'll let you know what I think, you know. I'll let you know if I'll buy them or not. So I put them on right now, and I want your guys' opinion. Should I do it? Should I get them for spares, or should I get some other wheels? Yeah, I'm gonna lower the car and then let me know what you guys think. I think they look very cute. The wheel alone is like 18 by 9.5 plus 15, so they don't really look that good. Check out that fitment. But I mean, for spares, I kind of do like them, want them, but I don't know. Leave a comment down below, should I get them or what? That gap though, we got like 2 inches right here, and I don't want to run another spacer right there. ¿Qué piensan? ¿Los compro o no? Actually, let me go for a spin real quick. If you're watching this, Derek, I'm only gonna go for a spin. Alright broskis, this was probably the shortest video ever, but that's it for today. I mean, there's not much I can do until I get that axle fixed. So I'm gonna go do that shit tomorrow, and then if I get it fixed, I'll probably go to Adams tomorrow and I'll record, because today's Friday, so tomorrow's Saturday. If I get it fixed tomorrow, I'll go to Adams and then I'll record, and then we'll try out these tires, and then hopefully the car doesn't bounce anymore, because I'm telling you, like when I go sideways, the car jumps a lot. So hopefully it's the axle. If not, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the subframe bushings. You guys saw already there, one of them is shot like bad. So, but fuck it, I'll still go, you know, if I get the axle fixed. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of the wheels. Let me know if you guys ever heard of those Nexen tires. If you guys have run them before, let me know. I want to know what you guys think. Do you guys like them or not? And then I probably won't paint the bumper yet until our event, because I want to go hard and shit. So I might destroy it more. So I'll just leave it like this. And what else? That's pretty much it. I do need spares, so I really want to get these wheels. But I mean, let me know what you guys think. Fucking, and tell Derek to hook me up. He's trying to get a fucking, he's trying to become rich off of these wheels. Leave a comment and tell him, Derek, hook Philly up, you know, hook your boy up. Yeah. Alright, broskies, if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out, broskies.